Learning Python in 3 months by English Bob. Week 1. Introduction to Python and its syntax. Basic data types in Python: numbers, strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, etc. Basic operators and expressions in Python. Conditional statements: if, else. Week 2. Loop statements, for and while loops. Functions in Python. Modules and libraries in Python. Week 3. File handling in Python. Exception handling in Python. Resources. Weeks 4 to 8. Object-oriented programming, OOP, in Python. Classes and objects in Python. Inheritance and polymorphism in Python. Regular expressions in Python. Weeks 9 to 12. Working with databases in Python, SQLite, MySQL, etc. GUI programming in Python, tkinter, pyqt, etc. Web development with Python, Django, Flask, etc. This roadmap assumes you will spend about 3 hours per day on average to complete these activities. The goal of the roadmap is to provide a structured way to learn Python and to provide you with resources to learn from. The actual time it takes you to learn may vary based on your prior experience, dedication, and learning style. Thanks for watching, and let me know how you get on with this complete free of charge guide for 2023.